Right. So when it comes to the Facebook ad structure, remember that when running a dropshipping store, a dropshipping business, we have different marketing um, strategies to use. Some persons use TikTok, some persons also use Facebook. And I would say that whichever strategy that works for you, you stick to it. Okay. But I want to make it clear that if you are to use TikTok, we have some setbacks. For example, as Nigerians, um, you are going to be funding your because remember Nigerians are not allowed to use TikTok ad account. All right, you cannot create an ad account in Nigeria. That's for US. And remember how TikTok works. So the location that you stay to open that account will determine your audience that you'll be focusing. So let's say, for example, you are selling products to US. You have to create a US TikTok account, right? If you are running that of for UK, we have UK TikTok account. So basically, if you are to run and sell to US, that means you have to create a US TikTok account. Now, I know I've digressed a little, but I wanted to chip in something. Okay. I was trying to say there are different ways for you to or strategies to use to run your account. Now, I would say that okay, since you are going to be funding in dollars, remember to convert your naira to dollars. That's going to be much on you. Okay, like using the current conversion rate, I think it should be about 1,450 something, right, per dollar. So you can stick to Facebook ad, and you can run Facebook ad funding your wallet in naira, and then you target US, and then you sell your items to those locations. All right. So that's why I decided to make this video on running Facebook ads. So let's first of all understand the ad structure. Okay, for those of you that are new in running Facebook ads, so Facebook ad, you have to understand how it works for you to properly set up your ad campaign, to understand what ad sets are, and then to start creating your ads. Right. So um let's just this is an overview of everything. We're not going to be going inside. Okay, when we get into practice, you see how to create these campaigns, ad set, and then ad. So this is the ad structure. First and foremost, once you have an ad account, we have the different structures when you are creating an ad. Number one is the campaign. So the campaign is um usually what is your ad all about? Your ad campaign, is it for conversion? For example, you are running an ad so people could make purchase, right? You want to sell an item to people, you want to sell a product, you want to sell a course, right? So that's for conversions. And 80% of the time you want to choose conversion because obviously you want to sell something. Now, some other persons run ads for leads, to get leads, right? To a particular, maybe to WhatsApp or to a landing page or whatsoever. Maybe you just want to get leads, and then you build an audience, you build people, send them to your WhatsApp group, and then you organize a webinar. All right. We also have some other campaigns, such as that we call it campaigns objective, right? We have for traffic. So you are running a traffic to your site, okay, and then you want to generate traffic to the site to get people visit it. Maybe you've monetized your site using any of the monetization campaigns. All right, maybe Google AdSense or some other ones like that. So you want to use it to generate traffic, so you could send them to your site, which eventually convert to money. Okay, so you can choose traffic. We have other ones actually. All right. Then the conversions, we also call it sales. So it's also a sales campaign objective if you don't call it conversion. Now, once you break down from the campaign, the next is going to be the ad set. So after the campaign, this is the ad set. And this ad set is where you'll be setting your pricing. All right. How much you want to spend for like daily budget? What are the audience you are targeting, male or female? Or what are your manual, maybe your placements? Are you placing your ads on Facebook and Instagram, or only on Instagram, or only on Facebook? All right. And then you can also, target maybe within the age of 20 to what is the age bracket you'd want to target your audience to? All right. And also the location of your targets. Okay. Are you running these ads to get to Nigerian customers or audience, or to US, or to Canada, UK? Right. So this is where you put in all these parameters in the ad set. Now, after the ad set, we have what is called the ads. So these are the creatives, right? So this involves adding your videos, if it's going to be maybe images, right, for graphics, and some other things, and also links where people will have to click. For example, you have to set if it's going to be learn more, get now, order now. All right. So those are where you are going to be setting all these ones. Your primary text is going to be there, your headlines, descriptions, and several other things. Okay. So these are just the basic Facebook ad structure. And then for the ad set, that's where you are going to be putting your we call it pixel. Pixel. The pixel enables you to track the activities that are going on your site. As customers click on it, you have to define some parameters, right? Some actions, right? When they click on maybe a call to action button, all right, it tracks it, right? There's an API that is generated and sent to your website. Once a customer carries out some activities, maybe add to cart, so Facebook is going to track it and you can see it in your dashboard that, okay, at so these are number of persons that have clicked on your, I don't know. So those of you that are new to Facebook ads, you may not really understand this until we start doing it. But those of you that are familiar with how it works, I believe you understand what I'm saying. So I think this is just the basic Facebook ad structure. And I'll be ending the lectures here. So see you some other time.